7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts from 10 nautical miles west of Willowick to 10 nautical miles west of Erie, moving east at 15 knots. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Ashtabula. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Occasional lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.